Welcome along, my name is Ben, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw and create an Eric Cartman puppet out of a single sheet of paper. Now, on this channel I design, create and show you how to make paper-based working replicas of beloved Muppets, puppets, characters and creatures. Now, they can be pretty complex to make, so in this series I'm keeping it simple and I'm going to show you how you can bring to life your favourite characters and creatures using a single sheet of paper. Now, the basis for creating all of the paper puppets in this series is my printable folding template kit, which you can grab for a small one-off payment from my online store and then use again and again and again to create your own collection of paper puppets. So let's get into it. This is how to draw and create an Eric Cartman puppet out of a single sheet of paper. We're using template 7 from my kit, which we'll cut in half, leaving aside the blank half for drawing the body a little later on, and we trim the head template down, ready to go. We'll start by adding this little diagonal grid in the centre of the top half. So if you're drawing along at home, it should be straightforward to match the sketch proportions using the grid as a guide. We're going to dive straight in with his eyes, starting in the centre of the grid, and they cover most of each of the two side triangular quarters of the grid. Don't worry too much at this stage about accuracy, as we're going to have time to rework them later on. And then we have the pupils both close to where the eyes meet. The next section is the band of his beanie hat, with the top line of the band cresting the top of the grid at the centre point. Then we add the bobble of his hat, which is a little bit like a cloud, and we have that just off centre at the top of the sheet. These two little marks on the centre fold line and curve on this lower fold line will help guide the drawing of his mouth outline, which is made up of these two sweeping curved lines. Next we add his teeth just below the central fold line of the template, and there are 4 teeth to add in, not quite symmetrical. I've also decided to add in his eyebrows, which he doesn't always have, but I thought they'd help to add a bit more personality, and they're just simple triangles sitting over the top of his hat band. This is where we can adjust the eyes. They're more like ovals than circles. If you're drawing along at home, think about how the curves spatially relate to the diagonal lines of the grid, and that should really help. Finally, we'll add in his double chin. The first line is a small curve under the mouth, and the second a longer, straighter line just above the bottom fold line of the template. So then we ink in everything except the outer line of his eyes, adjusting as needed, and erase all the pencil lines, just leaving a hint of where you drew the eyes. Using marker pens, we colour it in as shown. Here I'm using alcohol markers. So onto the folding. I'll give you a general sense here of how it folds, but you'll get a full detailed video tutorial when you purchase the template. The important thing is to score and pre-fold all the template fold lines, and you can do that at this point, or it could even have been done before you started drawing. This isn't the case with all the templates you get in the kit, but with this one it does involve a bit of gluing. These side sections on the top half of the mouth are glued together at the front, and then again at the back on the other side of the same area, and those tabs are just glued down on the back of the mouth area. Same again with the bottom half of the mouth, with these white triangular areas glued together at the front, and then at the back we'll have these layered tabs sticking out, and we just want to glue those to the under section of the mouth as shown, and we'll come back and finish this area shortly. First we need to fold the corners of his hat to create that rounded shape. The corners fold in a few times on diagonal lines that meet at a point. This leaves a little tab at the external corner, and that tab folds in on itself to lock in place behind the folds you've created at the back of the puppet. And then to maximise the curved shape of his head, we fold each corner fold section back again. Next, using the other half of the sheet of paper, we're on to drawing his body. First we need to draw a 16 by 9 centimetre rectangle, and if you add in these two diagonal lines stretching from corner to corner, that'll help as a guide with all the proportions. The body shape is just a wide oval shape covering the full width and height of the grid, or at least leaving a small gap of about a centimetre at the bottom. We add his mittened hands centrally at either side of the shape, and then these diagonal lines go down from his hands, marking out the sides of his legs. His feet are these really shallow curves. A little bit of readjustment here. And then this vertical line is the front of his jacket with 3 buttons up the side. This horizontal line is going to be the fold line of an area that we cut out along this curve to attach his head to the body. So we ink it all in with a black biro pen, rubbing out the pencil lines and colour it in, and I'll share the colours I used in the video description. We cut it out, including cutting around the white semicircular tab above his buttons, glue that tab, and then it attaches to the middle of the bottom fold of his head section, the flat edge matching up to the head section fold line edge. And then we fold that long bottom tab so it fits snugly within the back section of his chin. At this stage, there are these tabs sticking out at the back that we need to glue, fold over, and then attach to the top half of the mouth area at the back of the puppet. And this helps tighten the corners of his mouth. Then, using excess paper from the body half of the sheet, cut out a strip of paper, folding it to create a V fold to act as a finger loop to open and close his mouth. And that is an Eric Cartman puppet made from a single sheet of paper. And you can check out the playlist in the corner of the screen for more single sheet paper puppet ideas to make with my template. Until next time, bye bye.